I'm in roti heaven. Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. Welcome to Hodi's World. I'm Hodi, and in this video I'm going to show you my favorite breakfast in Kuala Lumpur, which is the Roti Sarang Burung. I'm lost for words. It's so good. So this is the EPL Cafe, and they're just preparing the rotis. It looks so good. I can't wait to try.
All right. I think beef on top of this, minced beef on top of the egg. You love it. Oh my. Oh, this is normal. Yeah. Goes with the soy. Yes. The egg. God, crispy on the edge. Look at this. Chicken. Oh, this is chicken. Look at this. Yes. Wow, look at this. Oh, our food is ready. Oh my God. Right. One for Mata and one for me.
Okay, I haven't seen something like this. It looks so delicious. Wow, and it smells. I wish I could send you the smell through the screen. It's so delicious. Look at the eggs. So this is the beef, and that one is the minced chicken. What is this?
Dal, lentil with the sambal.
Oh, so this is dal with sambal. Okay, so lentil. Look at my drink. This is so cool. Taro. Cool, yeah? I love it. It's so pretty. This is so Instagrammable, isn't it? I love taro. I'm going to try this dal. I love dal. Let's see how this one is. It's nice. Let's try the roti. I need a knife.
You don't need actually knife. It's easy to chop it.
Okay, like this. This will be my first bite, and I can't even tell you how excited I am. So let's do this. Guys, this is so good. I want to send you some. It's so good. How good is this? This beef is amazing. Please, I hope you can see this. I'm in roti heaven.
Wow, what you think? Unbelievable.
I'm not going to eat anything else. This will be my last bite of the beef roti, and I just decided I will not eat anything else anymore in Malaysia except of this roti. It's going to be all my meals from now on. I'm lost for words. It's so good. It's really good. I don't know what to say. Nest Roti, where have you been all my life? Getting the egg one now. My husband ate half of it, more than half of it.
People working here are so friendly.
What do you think?
I think this is roti heaven in Kuala Lumpur.
It's insane, right?
Insane.
My last bite is going to be the minced chicken. Roti, minced. Bird's nest roti with minced chicken. So I didn't mention it. This is actually called bird's nest roti. Okay, my husband told me I need to add some of the sambal with the dal. It's so good. The sambal is good. It's actually not spicy. I like the beef more.
Yeah, I like the chicken more.
Well, there you go then. And if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more.